Hypertext Markup Language, in short HTML is the foundation of all web pages. Without HTML, you wouldn't be able to organize text or add images or videos to your web pages. Without HTML you won't be able to watch videos on YouTube, surf Facebook, or retweet on Twitter. HTML is the beginning of everything you need to know to create engaging web pages. HTML is a markup language rather than a programming language. There are 5 versions of HTML. HTML 1.0, HTML 2.0, HTML 3.2, HTML 4.01, and HTML5, which is the latest. Let's see a basic structure of HTML. We are going to create our first HTML file now. An HTML file ends with an extension of HTML with a file name of your choice. Let us define the HTML elements which are required in almost every HTML page. Doc type: let the browser know how the document should be interpreted by indicating what version or standard of HTML is being used. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head tag contains the links or location of our CSS or scripts which are going to be used in the HTML page. It does not display anything on the HTML page. It is used to set the title of the page, like this. The body is used to define the content in an HTML page. It is used to display web page content such as text, image, links, form, and more. It is required in every HTML page and there will be only one body tag in the entire page. Let's declare some HTML elements to display some content on the web page. Let's save and see the output. Congratulations, you have created your first HTML page. Every HTML element have opening and closing tags. A DOM structure is created every time a HTML page is executed. Now, what is DOM? DOM is Document Object Model, which is just a programming interface which gives you the ability to access the document that is web page and do operations over it or manipulate it. The DOM is an object-based representation of the HTML document. The code we have written in HTML can be represented as following node tree or tree of objects. We need certain methods and ways to access the content on this web page, change it, style it, add content, remove content, etc. In short, we need an interface to access this document to do stuff. Here, we need DOM. Besides being an interface to viewing the content of an HTML document, the DOM can also be modified using JavaScript. We are not going to dive in JavaScript now. This was a short introduction to HTML.